Well, I've got something for the after show.
Ooh.
I got a letter from my neighbor.
Cease and
letter
desist.
for yeah. Stop walking around naked by the bay window.
Hot off the presses.
Whoa.
Letter from my neighbor. I want to read to you guys in the after show.
Okay.
And
Let's do it.
I want to get your thoughts. Now, a little precursor. Never talked to this neighbor ever before in my life. Don't even know who they are.
Does
never-
anybody talk to their neighbors?
I talk to my neighbors a little bit.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, a little
I got one neighbor next to us, very friendly. But and it's the perfect amount of friendly. It's just you walk outside, good morning, shoot the breeze for 30 seconds. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you later. Move on. That's all I'm asking for. I don't want you to invite me over for dinner because
You don't need to be best friends. I can give you a little wave.
yeah.
In fact, I
Morning,
will
Carol.
say,
Yeah.
spending time out in the driveway working on my car, it's like I wish I knew less neighbors. Somebody's always creeping up on me. Like, what are you doing today?
Oh yeah, it's
Give me
classic.
a little
right?
too much.
Yeah.
You see, it's all those insurance commercials like, "Oh, Jim's out there working on his car again."
Yeah.
Oh, I got to better head over there and make sure he knows what he's doing. See if he needs a hand. It's like, Jim doesn't want your help, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you get people come over like, "What are you working on? You need a hand?" Like,
Nobody's offered a hand yet. Yeah. But a lot of people coming over asking about what year is this? You fixing it up? Okay, very interesting. What are you doing today?